Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to show you how to make a form, a WhatsApp form, to capture leads for your agency. You have a website, you have a landing page, you may have some type of, a funnel, and the form you create to capture leads for your agency. It can be, something simple or something very, strict with a lot of tools to get, qualified leads. No? So let's see how you can do it. We are in this white label account. So we go inside, we go to widgets, and we are going to start with one very simple widget. Okay, so let's make a new one. Add widget. We call this my leads for my agency. Contact us. Now can be. I can put a logo here. Let's see if I have something like this, for example. Okay, and let's save this widget. We have the widget ready. I'm going to put here my name, Cesar Martin. Phone number. I put here my phone number. This is so the customer can see that they are going to chat with me. No, I want a proposal for my campaign. For now, this is good. For now we have a simple widget with a simple agent. Let's add a simple form so we can we can use one of the templates. We can remove this name, email, maybe WhatsApp number, and request a proposal for my. Well, no, let's put more information. More info. I want more information. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. I think it's under 1 minute or something like that, or 2 minutes. And we have a widget, a form, the CRM, the leads. We have everything ready to go. How we can install this form in our website, or how to use the landing page. The landing page, we can use this default landing page that is going to look like this. Okay, super simple. The form, the QR code, sharing buttons. If we don't need that, we can remove it. Let's go to the settings for the landing page. So we can remove social and this one. Let me remove the QR code, sorry. Okay, the landing page can be as clean and as simple as possible. I mean, the idea is to get leads, no? So we don't need distractions, we don't need anything else, we don't need anything fancy. We just need the leads to get to the form and fill up the form. So this is a very simple form. If I fill up the form, let me do an example. I want more information. This goes to WhatsApp, okay? And we have the lead in the lead control panel, okay? We have our first client. This is the information. We can add more information about this customer. We can see the source. We can see, from where this user is coming. So this is something we can see, and that will be it, okay? A very simple, lead, a very simple funnel. Now let's make one a bit more complicated, okay? Or, we want more information from the customer. We can clone the widget. So this will be level 2 form for level 2 WhatsApp form for my agency. Okay, I click save. Let's go to agents. Let's go to the form. And here, we can add more questions and we can add more, information we need from the user. We add a new field, and for example, we can ask, what is your budget for campaigns? And here, we can add, pricing. We can add, a value of these leads. For example, less than 1,000 per month. And we can put here 1,000. From 1,000 to 3,000, we can call this 3,000, and more than 3,000, for example. Yeah. So, and this can be 5,000. So this will be, a question for the customer to reply. The customer can see, what is your budget for campaigns, and they can choose one option. We can make this field, mandatory. We can make this field as buttons. So I think looks nicer. What is your budget for your campaigns, and the user can choose, from one of these options. So this is something you can do. This is something you can customize, and you can add more information. We can make this field. We can say something like, what services do you need? And we can make the same. We can make a dropdown, a new website, redesign my website, campaigns. Let's put ads and campaigns, social media management, SEO, others. So this can be a question we make to the customer. Let's put this on top of the budget, and we can show this option if the user choose ads and campaigns. Okay, so this is something we can do. We can do something a bit more, let's say, interesting, like info at chatwidget.io. If the customer choose ads and campaigns, they will see this option, and now is when they can send the information. Okay, this is something we can do. The same. This goes to WhatsApp. We have the information. We have an email notification. We can send the data to the CRM, and we have the leads here. Okay, so this is everything is happening, as you can see, in 7 minutes. We are 7 minutes doing this live for you, so you can see how you can do it for your own agency. And now let's go and create a final widget with more information, with more questions, with scoring, with more, with more filters. Okay, so let's go here. Let's clone this. Let's put this level 3. Okay, what else, we can add to make this widget, sophisticated? For example, we can filter, like Gmail, Hotmail, etc. accounts. Okay. If the user is going to add a Gmail or Hotmail account, we are not going to send the lead to WhatsApp. Okay, the lead is going to be closed. Okay, so there is no process, there is no progress, for this lead. And thank you, we will contact you soon. We can add a message, so the message is going to, like close the lead. What we can do, just to make things clear, is a help text. Help text for email. Let's put here help text, and we can put please use your corporate email. I mean, this is, let's say, this is because you aim to corporate clients. You don't want small clients. You want like enterprise level clients. So we can add the text here. So now you can see is name, please your corporate email. Okay. If I type something like info@hotmail.com and I click. Oh, sorry, I need to put this information. Okay, in this case, we don't go to WhatsApp. Okay, the lead doesn't progress to WhatsApp, but it's going to be saved here. Okay, it's labeled as close because that means it's not let's say it's not a good lead, but we keep the information just in case you want to, you want to do something with that user. So email, filter for email, that's something you can use. And we can use scoring. Scoring means you can add, like gold, silver, bronze. You can add, of course, we can add pricing. Let's put the less value here and more value here. And, we can do the, the conversion from one to the other. And, the same, we can add scoring here. So this is bronze, silver, gold. Of course, you can change the value. Let's say if you are aiming more, like enterprise level customers, you can change the numbers here, so you can make something more like a 10,000, 30,000, more than 30,000, yes, something like that. Something that, feels a bit more, like corporate in terms of, what is the range, of, what is the budget you want to manage. So this can be also, for example, for more enterprise level, you can ask what is your CRM, for example, and the same we can do drop down with price, and we can put here like Salesforce, HubSpot, Soho, Odoo, and the same we can add some scoring here like gold, silver, and these values are going to create a scoring for us. For this user, this user is going to have a scoring, so we can, assign those leads to specific agents, or maybe we can filter, the user, or maybe we can do something with that. So now this is a bit more, sophisticated a widget. This is a more interesting widget. We can go to the landing page. We can use one of these themes. We can use this one, for example. Let's click save. Let's see how this looks. Okay, this looks nice. This is the widget. So we have the information here. Let's go back to the templates. Let's choose an image here. Let's put, for example, this one and this one. Okay, like that. Okay, so now that looks, this looks like a nice landing page, for you to capture these leads. And as you can see, you can go from, something very simple to something more, sophisticated. And in this case, because we have the scoring, we are going to see if the lead is gold, for example. I need a new website. I use Salesforce. Okay, this goes to WhatsApp, of course. Okay, and in the control panel, this goes here. This is level 1. Level 1, something very simple, name, email, phone number. That's it. I want more information. We have a lead. Level 2, we can add more questions, and we can do something that, we can add some conditional fields, so we can, add more information based on the options. And, level 3, we can add more questions. We can add more qualification, questions with scoring, so you can get, gold, silver, bronze leads, and you can assign, those leads to your agents, and of course, the landing page can be more beautiful. So this is, from level 1, level 2, level 3. You can create beautiful WhatsApp forms for your agency, and you get all the lead information in your control panel. At the end, you will see all the leads here, and you will get all the information. You will see from where they are coming. If you have campaigns attached to your forms, you will see which campaigns are working better. So we are going to give you a lot of information, a lot of insights, a lot of resources for you, to manage your own leads, your own CRM for your own agency. Okay, hope you like it. This was very fun. So see you soon. Bye-bye.